Hello and welcome. Today I am showing you my TNT that I have done so far. Right now it's in 2 stages. I got 1.10.0 yesterday. It's a bit different. I am on creative mode. I actually have a little sister, and I blew up her house.
That is very mean.
Not in my video, you dummy. Yeah, she's very cool. And while I am doing this, I'm going to tell you a story. What story should I tell?
Something.
No. Ah, about what happened at the very last day of school, right? I was like doing what I usually do, riding home.
On his bike.
Be quiet! Telling a story here. Yeah, and I have a bully at school. I am no one special. Don't say what. I am not going to say his name. Don't say his name, Shimon, 'cause it's rude. Not going to say his name, but as I was walking home, my friends got used as bait just to get me, and he then started wanting to fight me, and it just went on and on, and it's still going on right now. And yeah, we're getting a new TV. Awesome. My skin is default. Why is it default? It's meant to be super honeydew. Maybe I'm playing offline, but I don't know. Okay. Yeah. What am I doing here? It's still bedrock. Yeah, my main objective is to actually crash the game. Right now, I have 10.0 and zombies will not attack me because I have completed the game. But they only attack you if you, like, hit them or do anything. So look, see how he's not attacking me? Right now, if I hit him, he will go against me. And yes, I like using an axe for fighting. That's just me. Okay, yeah, I like Honeydew of the Oldcast. I'm to try to put a link in the description to the channel, which is awesome. I am still trying to work out how to crash the game, but this is only my second video, so what's recording? Okay, I gotta go. See ya.